Horizon's new HX851.wmv. It's a totally waterproof, floating, handheld VHF transceiver. But it's also DSC and has a 12-channel built-in GPS, and that's what makes it so unique. The GPS does everything you'd expect a GPS to do. As soon as the set is turned on, it quickly acquires its satellites, and if programmed to do so, it will put the information on the large LCD display screen. It gives your speed over the ground, your course over the ground, the current time in UTC, and your current position. But the really clever bit is that the GPS talks directly to the DSC. DSC stands for Digital Selective Calling, and the GPS allows the radio to make a DSC transmission with a position report or a position request, a function normally only found on fixed VHF radios. That means that this radio can send its own position to another DSC radio, that DSC radio can send its position back, and the GPS will navigate you to that position. To aid this navigation, there is a clear, easy-to-read compass display, and up to 200 waypoints can be entered and stored in the memory. Working a bit like a pager, the DSC can send an alert to an individual or a selected group. Using a unique 9-digit or customized ID, the alert indicates who is paging, the priority, and which channel to listen out on. If the recipient misses the alert, then it remains logged on their screen. As in a distress situation, the DSC radio can actually send your position to the Coast Guards and any other DSC equipped vessels in your area. All you have to do is lift up this protective flap and hold down the distress button for a full 3 seconds. The buttons are large and easy to use, and the entire system is menu driven. As a VHF transceiver, the HX851 has the full range of functions. These include channel 16 priority, program scan, and dual or tri-watch. There is slow or fast scrolling through the channels, and the preset button gives access to the 10 most commonly used. Volume and squelch are adjusted by the up-down keys, and the keypad can be locked to prevent accidental resetting. There are 4 transmit power settings to extend the life of the already long-life lithium-ion battery. Low, which is 1 watt, M1, which is 2.5 watts, M2, which is 5 watts, and high, which is 6 watts. For best results, hold the microphone, which is here, about 2.5 centimeters away from your mouth when you press the transmit button, which is here. And here's a tip. Because the VHF wave is vertically polarized, the more vertical you can hold the aerial, the better the signal will be. And this set has a full 6 watts of transmit power, which is very unusual. Most sets only have 5 watts. Designed as a rugged workhorse, the HX851.wmv is built on a tough die-cast chassis and is waterproof to 1 meter for 30 minutes. In fact, Standard Horizon are so confident of the build quality, the waterproofing is warranted for 3 years. The tough belt clip is designed so it doesn't actually drop out of your belt. But to show you the bright display, we need some darkness. The backlit display can be fully customized, and the powerful LED on the casing can help in an emergency. You can pre-program the LED to flash up to 4 different sequences, one of which is SOS. All it requires to trigger it is 1 button press here. Two sensors on the base will automatically trigger the LED as soon as the set hits the water. It even has a luminescent gasket. So, with advanced waterproofing, a 12-channel GPS and full DSC capability, the HX851.wmv from Standard Horizon is leading the way. This is all the electronics you need to help you navigate and to stay in touch with the people who matter.